Hi there, I'm Daryl Ballard, and since you're watching this video, I imagine you were doing some research on what is a landing page versus a website, and which one do you need, what's the difference between them, something like that, and that's what we're going to talk about, so stay tuned. Now, I'm always putting up content on my website about escaping the treadmill of the 9-to-5 job, how you can do that with a successful online business. So if that's something you're interested in, there should be a button down there that you can click on to subscribe to my channel. If that's something you want to do, you can do that at any point during the video. I also have a 4-day free course on starting your own successful 6-figure online business, step by step on how to do that. So either of those, if you're interested, you can click on the links at any time during the video and get started with those. All right, so let's talk about landing page versus website. Which one do you need and what's the difference between them? First question, what are they? Well, a website is sort of a general description of the business. When you see a website, it's not specifically a sales thing, it's a general description. I think that's the best way to put it. Whereas a landing page is much more specific about one topic, one action that you want the lead or the traffic that's coming to your site to do. Okay, what do they both do? What do they do specifically? Well, the website gives the specific information or the general information, and you're going to see tabs at the top probably of the website, and we'll look at some examples a little later, like about and contact and maybe services or products. There can be many other tabs, but those are 3 of the most common that you see on a website. But not generally any specific calls to action. Maybe as you get deeper in, they will have things like that. But overall, a general look at a business. Now, what is a landing page? A landing page is much more specific. It's going to be 1 or 2 pages. Often there's a thank you page after the landing page, but it's going to be about a specific product or a specific action that you want to take this person that's come, this viewer of your website or landing page that you want them to take. Okay, it's going to have some a headline at the top and some copy that encourages them to give, in the box below that encourages them to give you their email, probably in exchange for some sort of information that they might want on a PDF or a video or something like that. So they're curious, they're doing some research, and they're willing to give you their email for that bit of information. That's generally what a landing page is. All right, so which one of these do you need? Well, the easy answer to that is you need both. In my opinion, you need both, but not necessarily all at once. Let's talk about which order you need them. I think the first thing you need is a landing page because you're driving traffic to your business. You want to send them to a landing page that is your own, not something that someone else has done. You see a lot of this done for you stuff out there. Sounds good, it's easy, but because there may be thousands or maybe even tens of thousands of people doing the same thing, you don't differentiate yourself, so you make very little, if any, money doing that. So this needs to be something that you make. And because you're driving traffic initially, you need to get emails. You're not going to make a sale. Most people do a little research first. You're not going to make a sale the first moment you start talking to a lead. Generally, a lead is someone who is, like I said earlier, doing some research, trying to find out about a product. So you need to be talking with them. You need to be establishing trust with them. And so you're doing some things after you get their email and that sort of thing. And then eventually maybe they're going to a website, which if you're an affiliate marketer, like I've always done, you are sending them to someone else's site. But that's okay because you have established a relationship with them now. All right. then eventually you are going to want a website. Now, why would you want a website? Why would you want something that just talks about you and your business? That is, at least as a marketer from home, as a home-based business, that sort of thing. Why would you want a website? Well, let's talk about first what you could use as your website while you're becoming established. A lot of people will use their YouTube channel, will use Facebook. I'm sure you can use other types of social media sites as well as sort of your home on the internet. You can put videos up which can have great information that help people establish trust in you. You can have Facebook groups that you can send them to, which can also give them a lot of information that can help them to know, like, and to trust you. But do you really want to do that long term? Probably not, because you're depending on something that doesn't belong to you then. You're depending on Facebook to always be there. You're depending on YouTube to always be there, or whatever platform you're using. And you're depending on their rules not changing and not getting kicked off because you did something that they didn't like, whatever the case may be. Having your own website is a good thing. It's your home on the internet. It's where you have your leads come and meet with you. It's the community that you establish that helps you to build a big business, good influence with a lot of different people. Okay, so now what does the website look like for this home-based business that you're doing? Well, it may be basically a blog. You may be putting videos and articles and things like that up as content for your, free content, helpful content, value that you can give your leads so that they can know, like, and trust you. It's probably going to have that About tab and the Contact tab and things like that so that you can tell them a little bit about yourself so that they can get to know you. It may be a fairly simple website, but it's going to be something like that other website, which is your home, again, something you own, your home on the internet for your community that you work with. All right, so that's the difference between a landing page and a website. You can certainly use social media to accomplish the website for a while. There are free tools for building landing pages out there. You can certainly do that too. What I use to build my landing pages is ClickFunnels. I'll put a link below if that's something that you're interested in looking into. They do have a 14-day free trial so that you can try it out and see how it works. And then on down the road, we'll talk a little more about websites and how you could build that for your business if that's something that you want to do. Okay, hope that information has been helpful for you. If it has, let me know in the comments below. Definitely give me some likes and some shares, and don't forget, you can subscribe to the channel and also the 4-day free course on how you can develop your own successful online business. Okay, and the ClickFunnels link, if you want to give that a try for helping you build good converting landing pages so that you can get your traffic to become leads and eventually sales for your business. I'm Daryl Ballard, and we will see you on the next video.